So, hello everyone, my name is Malte Grosser and I'm really happy to talk about advanced R solutions today. So, basically I will show you in this talk how you can work through a textbook and write a book at the same time. So, I would like to start with my motivation for this project. So, here I'd like to draw 5 numbers between 4 and 4 via R sample command. But in fact the output is like not between 4 and 4. And this is just like one of many examples of unexpected behavior within the R language. So R is sometimes called to be a quirky language. If you look at the whole ecosystem of R packages, you can imagine that quirks in the base packages can easily be inherited to all depending packages. So basically to all of R. Usually we try to follow some kind of high-level workflow. However, if you're not aware of all of these quirks, it's really easy to introduce silent bugs. And if you notice them very late, it's also really hard to find the right place to fix these bugs. And so you might just introduce workarounds here and there, and you also might end up with a solution that works for now, but it might become very hard to maintain in the future. So to address these kind of issues, I was starting to read Advanced R, which is a textbook written by Hadley Wickham, and it introduces R in a very clean and structured way. And it focuses on programming skills and understanding of the language. So I was very motivated to understand this textbook. However, since these chapters are like built on top of each other, I also had to bear up many details in mind at the same time. And I also had to keep a clear focus and patience with myself, and also very much discipline. So in the end, my strategy was just like to solve the exercises which are provided by Hadley Wickham. And I thought it might be a nice idea to write them down in R Markdown so that I solve every exercise just once. And yeah, I could also like share them very easily and look up details later on. Fortunately, at the same time that I started, also the Bookdown package came out. So this provides me with like exactly the structure that I need for this. And with like almost no overhead, I can compile my Markdown files to a book, and I can also directly host it on bookdown.org, and yeah, it's like really nice. And on the left, you can see Advanced R and the exercises. And basically what I did, I just copy and pasted the exercises from the GitHub to the right to my Markdown files. I added a Q for question and A for answer. And yeah, I started to write answers. And nowadays I always read Advanced R like this, like with the solutions together. I did this for quite some time, and yeah, I solved like 70% of the exercises. However, the main goal is not like to solve like all of the exercises. The main goal is like understand the content. However, what you can see from this graphic is that the part on metaprogramming is like kind of the hardest part in the book, from my experience. So, however, the book is already online. It is called Advanced R Solutions. And yeah, you can find it on bookdown.org. And of course, I didn't do all this alone. So I had a really great help by Henning Buhmann, who currently gives a lightning talk in a parallel session. And I'm also very happy that we now collaborate with Peter Horford and Robert Krzyzanowski from Chicago, who maintain a very mature set of solutions on GitHub. And actually we started just now to merge their solutions into the book, and we will go on with this like after the conference. Yeah, the book also comes with an edit this page button. So if you don't agree with our solutions, I'm fine with it, but it would be nice if you yeah, make a pull request. And also if you find any errors, it would be really nice if you contribute. So the next steps, I guess they are really obviously. So we would like to provide more solutions. And there might also come an update of Advanced R at the end of the year or at the beginning of the next year. And of course, we would like to also provide solutions for the new version of Advanced R. And of course, we have many smaller enhancements on our to-do list. So the next time when you work through Advanced R, don't jump the exercises. They're really valuable. Try to solve them, or if you don't have time, read Advanced R solutions. And I would like to thank Hadley Wickham for Advanced R and useR for the Bookdown package. And yeah, so My email is on the slide. Don't hesitate to get in touch. And thanks.